Hello. I completely forgot I was going to do a video on changing the wheel bearing on the Renault. It's got a noisy bearing. And I clearly forgot, and I cracked on, and I've got it just about stripped out. I've got them two strut bolts and the bottom ball joint to do, just to take out and then take the hub off. I thought I would take a video before I stripped it, but oh well. It wasn't that exciting. Everything's coming off. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say that. Where's some wood I can touch? I'll touch some wood in a second. Oh, there's some wood. Touch wood. Yeah, it's going well so far. Again, touch wood. Hub off. I'm going to press I'm just doing it in the yard because I got a Land Rover in the way there. I can't run it at the minute because it's got the throttle cable off and a speedo drive out. And I'm just doing it in the yard because it's sunny. Why not? Let the sunshine. I'll get the hub off and then I'll get it in the press. So the hub's all on board, it's free to come out. Just got to take off the bottom ball joint and then go off to the press. Here we are, the hub too. It's titchy like. That's the arm. So titchy. Yeah. So we're going to press this there and nude. First we're going to get the flat drive flange, and then in there is a circlip just covered up with shade, dirt and corrosion. Gotta get that out. Then once you push that out, you flip it over. Well, you take the circlip, you flip it over, and then you push the bearing out from this side. You've got a new bearing to go in. So we'll crack up with that. Clip out, nice and free. It hasn't done much, so it's nice and free. Usually you get them and they're rotten and seized and horrible. We're going to get that out and then we'll push the bearing out. That's the flange side from this side. Clean it up and we'll put the new bearing in. I changed my plan with the press. I need to get some proper pressing because I don't have any press yet. I've got the bearing out by picked up a lot of people use. Well, the big old bead are on the inside, retort, flat out in the welder, a couple of beads, and then when it heats up and then it contracts smaller, so you can just usually knock the roof off and stick. If not, you have to press them out, but they usually go a lot easier. Sometimes it can be quite scary to press your foot through a wheel bearing and kind of get it out. You do that and it'll fall out. So the new bearing's in. I did lose it before. As I picked it up and I was walking over here, someone came in. Got that lovely old water pump off, get blasted. So yes, I put that down and lost it when I went to help him unload that from the car. So now I've got to press this in from this side. There's a new circlip to go in, which is here. I'll put that in. And then I've got to separate the old race from the flange. I'll show you how I do them. Some people don't agree with it, but it's the way I've always done it. I've never had a problem and it works every time. There's the bearing in. Now this is the way I always do these. You can get a tool that goes in and pushes them off. You can use it. I've also seen people shoot the crack the hooks off. Yeah, that's the way I do it. Grinder with 1mm slip disc. Just put it in, nice level all the way in until you get it about there. You get it about right. But be really careful you don't take it off and gouge out the hook. I've seen people do them with flat disc and grind disc, just chunks messing with the flange. You'll see what I mean when I get it off. Just gently in, take the top off. Where's my chisel gone? Chisel here. Get it part of the way in, knock it off, splits it, pulls off. Just like that. That's right. This is what I mean, you just cut the top off. It's on the floor somewhere. The bar in the back. pop off. I can't do it one-handed. I need to get another bar. This one has got enough bead on it, but yeah. Can't do this one-handed. It's pretty awkward. You can see it's going off there. There we are. Maybe aye. And very little damage to the mag itself. But if you did, if I went very slightly too far and put a slight nick into it, or slow into the face, but it's fine. Nothing to worry about at all. So pressure the flange into the bearing, and as you can see, it's under no pressure at all. Knit the bearing up. That's actually under pressure pushing it in. And then drop it down. Just keep sending her over until it gets resistance. Just off the press. That's it. And pressure going up. Still free as a bird. And off it drops. Done and dusted. I've also got the circuit lane as well. I put that in earlier. I'm tempted because I'm sad. Some paint on the hub. Might, because I can. So she's back in there. I did put some paint on it because I wanted to see. I'm still testing that 415, see what it does, see if it's any good or not. Pick it back together, and yeah, I think I'll just film it when it's back together because my phone's battery's nearly dead. So.